Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning.
My name is Hariharan. I am from Mysore. I did my graduation in commerce and started my career in systems in '99 after I did my NIIT course. So I started as a trainer there. After 5 years of journey, I had an opportunity to move into the banking sector in 2005.
Okay.
So I joined Centurion Bank. Now it got merged with HDFC. Later on in 2007, I moved to Kotak Mahindra Bank as a relationship manager. Altogether, I've been in Mysore, from starting from my studies till this career. And in 2007, I moved, and till 2012, I had my stint of 5.5 years with Kotak Mahindra Bank. I resigned from there in 2012. At that time, I was the priority banking relationship manager there. Then in 2012, I took a call that I need to give a holistic advisory solutions to my clients, and I started as my career as an IFA in October 2012, and so far the journey has been phenomenal. But in 2016, there was a need, like with the regulatory changes in terms of the manufacturer and SEBI regulations, even the earning potential in terms of the income earned through the regular what do you call the commission paid from the company was gradually coming down, and the emphasis was on advisory mode. Anytime the SEBI may tweak in this changes in the coming years in India. So I just want to be a professional, qualified financial planner and give a proper advisory to my investors. End of the day, I want them to have a peaceful financial management and make them a happy investor and live a financial independent life. That is the main goal, and I am in this journey. I got to know about the CFP course, wherein we can, of course, it's a professional course and it cannot be taken up just like that. It needs a professional advice, guidance. So I got in touch with Keyur Shah sir in the year 2016. He had one day seminar in Bangalore. So that was the first time I got in touch with sir, and I'm in this journey for the last now 2 years, and I have made a determined decision to complete this course by in another 3 months time. By July 2019 is the deadline what I've kept to complete this course and be a certified financial planner. And the key learning has been to give a holistic financial planning to the clients. And now we are, if you take the country's potential, we have about 65% of them who are youngsters in the age group between 25 to 40. And India has to grow, not like Western countries where they don't have young population and they are all dependent on the government's for pension, everything. And if you take the retirement planning as such, it requires wherein the advice from a professional to a common man regarding how they need to plan for their retirement, because now the lifespan has increased to 80s due to the advanced in medical technology. And I am seeing day-to-day experiences with many of the clients also, and this has made me very serious. I want to be a retirement coach, and the expectation from these 3 days of learning is to be a expert in how to create a retirement plan, also give a proper solution to the investors, be along with them in their journey and make them financially free. That is the main objective, and I wish to complete that course in the next 3 months. And coming to the what are the key learnings from these modules what I have covered so far, I've been getting many queries from my existing clients, like Like, I can give an example. Last month I happened to meet through a reference one of my client. They are into business, they are into ginger business. They are doing very well. But now of late they have realized the importance after demonetization and GST, wherein they need a proper plan through the awareness. Because I keep sending them the broadcasted messages about the importance of saving, whoever it is, whether he is a rich person or who is a common man. So they have understood that importance, and I created a plan from whatever I've learned so far, and they were very happy, and they have agreed to sign up for monthly SIP of 30,000 rupees for 2 daughters for the next 15 years. And also for my corporate clients, they have been into liquid funds and all. So I also gave them the importance of investing for longer period and debt funds also. The debt planning module has helped me to confidently speak to my clients that you need to have debt allocation. It is not only equity allocation. And wherein one of my corporate clients had invested in liquid funds last May, for that the amount invested was 80 lakhs. As of now, they have drawn about 20 or to 25 lakhs so far. The rest of the amount has been still lying in liquid. I said at least some amount you know that you don't require for the next 1 year, move it into some short-term debt funds, wherein you can get a slightly better returns. Because in the wherein
benefit of indexation, if
benefits of indexation also, if they stay for 3 years. So these things has helped me. Also, what I stand out in terms of other IFAs is, even my book size in total AUM is, it is 60-40. 60% is into debt and 40% it is into equity. So
how much total AUM you have?
36 crores.
Okay, nice.
As of
book size?
30 lakhs.
Very good. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you. So this 60% of debt, wherein most of my clients have seen the indexation benefit. So this is where, so the moment they get some money, they immediately call me and ask me to suggest them. I first ask them, what is your tenure? So if it is 3 to 6 months, I say go with liquid funds. If it is something above that, look at ultra short term funds. If they are okay with 3 years plus, if it is their, if it is a director of a company and if they want to invest in their own name, go for this. So I've been able to put in place certain things, but not fully. But I want to complete this course at the earliest, give a proper this thing. I see a huge potential, because the present generation, we are seeing a lot of youngsters coming in, and they are all open to listening to us. And the people who are in their 40s and 50s are going up. So whereas the younger generation are coming, and the market lacks a lot of professional advice people. And my message to young investors is, seek a proper professional advice. Like when you have ailment issue, you go to a doctor. You don't take self-medication. If you plan to construct a house, you go and approach an architect. Same way for your financial planning, financial management, approach a proper certified financial planner. Also, before getting in touch with them, look into their credentials, and also be trust on them, and your money will definitely grow, and you will also be you will prosper in your future.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good. Very good. Ranji, you have shared your detailed journey, and one point I thought, let me just share you. Even for a corporate account, even you can suggest the LS account. You work with the banking. There is one product called loan against security. So suppose one of my client is not sure whether he want to keep a fund for up to 3 years, but he's sure that I need a minimum 1 year tenure. But I'm not sure whether 50% chance my fund will grow, continue for 3 years plus. No problem. You open a one LS account on same debt instrument. Suppose if you park 50 lakh rupees debt, you put it open a LS account by pledging 25 lakh, or you can get sometime 80% also. So now you don't want to withdraw. You have set up a limit. So in case if you withdraw, you just get it out from there and fulfill your temporary need. Again you pay it, so you will be paying maybe interest rate. But if you have hold it for 3 years, then with help of the indexation, net return will be much higher than the just keeping into the you can say simply a short-term withdrawing and investing, withdrawing. Yes, so that's how LIS will help you to basically get it the indexation benefit for the most of your money. So that will we have covered into CFP syllabus. Good, very good. So now as you work almost 1 decade into banking and private banks, okay, and now you moved into the since last 6 years you moved into the independent advisory, okay. So now those who are current investors, your current investors, or maybe those who are watching the video, they have a two option broadly. One is the banks are there where they can go advisory, and second there is an independent professionals is there. So why independent professional can, we are talking about larger picture, not one-to-one cases, why independent professional can provide a better advisory compared to the private banks?
Yeah, yes sir. Here it is an unbiased advisory service, wherein you are an individual, you are not linked to any corporate or something, and there is no conflict of interest, and your consciousness will not permit you to advise them on a wrong product. Here you will look at your clients' money as your own money. You will step into their shoes and manage their investments. So, and even the clients will have a proper sleep, and even you will also have a good sleep, and there won't be any pressure on you. And you will, in case if of course everyone is a human being, in case even if you make some mistakes, you can correct in a short period of time, go back to them, tell them, definitely they will also listen to you. Yes, this is what I
so if I go one step ahead, we are not criticizing, but that is the reality, bitter reality, so we have to discuss. Okay, so because of that, the one relationship manager, okay, working with the private banks, definitely private banks has their own targets or profits. So where profit will come? When they sell the product and services to their investor. If they sell it with the suitability requirement by proper, you will surprise that why CFP profession is failed to take off, or it is still at a nascent stage after 15 years, because that in our country none of the private banking is making a mandate of certification for their relationship manager, but in China it came in 10 years later, or you can say 5 years before CFP certification. Today 10,000 CFPs are there. Hong Kong 10,000, Singapore 10,000. So why it has happened? Because in Indian banks, specifically private banks or PSU bank, their objective is to make a good profit. And now problem is bigger. Corporate accounts are making into NPA. So RBI is worried because there is a NPA is there, you improve your balance sheet. So what is the way to improve balance sheet? Retail investor, यानी कि retail investor को दोनों जगह से पड़ेगा. आप लोन लेने जाएंगे तो भी रेट ज़्यादा मिलेगा, क्यों? क्योंकि आप नेगोशिएट नहीं कर सकते कॉर्पोरेट की तरफ, क्योंकि they will ask for the crores of fund. Okay. Second, when you invest, again they will sell the products which is the more suitable in terms of profit. So we can understand 1 out of 10 can be a good person is there, but 9 out of 10 times we have seen that if you have to earmark versus the corporate relationship manager versus independent professional, okay, if independent professional is certified financial planner or independent CFA charter holder, okay, or SEBI registered investor, provided the CFP and CFA qualification is there, so here you will be able to have a better solution, because he'll think a long-term relationship, okay, he has to be there with you for next 20-30 years, he has to ensure that it should be win-win situation, and we can provide the better advisory for both. So I think that would be motivated to move out of the your banking industries. Okay, thank you Hariharan ji.